This one mistake alone cost one of my clients $12,000 last year. Most small business owners are making it right now without realizing it. This is Tax Help, and we help business owners clean up their books, reduce their tax bill, and finally get control of their finances. If you're a small business owner or self-employed, these 5 mistakes could be silently draining thousands from your pocket every single year. Most of them don't look like mistakes at first glance, but the IRS sees them loud and clear. Stick around because I'm breaking them down one by one and how to fix them right now so you don't get burned later. Mistake number 1 that costs small business owners thousands: mixing business and personal finances in the same bank account. Here's the deal. The IRS requires clear, substantiated records to validate your deductions. When business and personal transactions are all tangled up in one account, it's a red flag. It becomes nearly impossible to prove which expenses were business-related. And if you get audited, the IRS can deny any deduction they feel is unclear, even if it was 100% valid. I've seen legit deductions thrown out just because they weren't properly tracked. That's how thousands get lost, which means for you could be paying more in taxes than you should, or worse, get hit with penalties, which really means for you, peace of mind disappears. You're stressed every tax season, unsure if you're leaving money on the table or risking an audit. So here's what to do. Open a separate business bank account today, even if you're just starting. Then let Tax Help organize your books so they're clean, audit-ready, and bulletproof. Mistake number 2, not keeping receipts or documentation for business expenses. Listen, just because you know something was a business expense doesn't mean the IRS will believe you. The IRS doesn't take your word for it, they want proof. If you can't show it, they can deny it. Too many missing records, and they might call your entire return unreliable, which means for you, valid deductions get tossed, your refund shrinks, your bill grows, which really means every time you open a letter from the IRS, your stomach drops. You're always second-guessing your numbers. Here's how to fix it. Start saving digital copies of every receipt. Tools like QuickBooks, Expensify, or even a simple Google Drive folder by month can work. Then let Tax Help step in and review your records. We'll help you build a documentation system that holds up in any audit. Mistake number 3, misclassifying employees as independent contractors. This one's common and very costly. If you've got team members you're treating as contractors, but they should really be employees under IRS rules, you could owe years of back payroll taxes, interest, and penalties. And no, they signed a 1099 doesn't protect you, which means for you, not only are you at risk for a surprise tax bill, but your entire hiring process could be legally vulnerable, which really means hiring becomes stressful. You don't know if you're doing it right. And mistakes here don't just cost money, they can shut down growth. Here's how to fix it. Review IRS guidelines. Check out Form SS8 and Publication 15A, or let Tax Help review your current team setup and make sure you're compliant before the IRS makes that decision for you. Mistake number 4, not paying quarterly estimated taxes. If you're self-employed or earning outside a W-2, the IRS expects you to pay quarterly, not just in April. Missed payments shock you underpayment penalties. And when you delay too long, those small amounts snowball fast, which means for you, you're not just behind, you're paying more than you should, which really means tax season becomes a nightmare. You're scrambling to pull together a huge lump sum, stress builds, and you're never sure if you're ahead or behind. So how do you fix it? Use IRS Form 1040-ES to calculate your quarterly taxes, or have a pro do it for accuracy. Let Tax Help set up your calendar, do the math, and make sure you're paying the right amount on time, every time. Mistake number 5, using the wrong business entity. Mistake number 5, operating under the wrong business entity. A lot of business owners start as sole proprietors or LLCs and just stay there forever. But your business structure has massive tax implications. Some structures leave you paying higher self-employment taxes, missing deductions, and exposing yourself to liability, which means for you, you're not getting the tax breaks you deserve, and you're possibly putting yourself at legal risk, which really means you're building a business on shaky ground, one that might not scale or protect you the way it should. So how do you fix it? Get your current structure reviewed. Tax Help will break down what you're currently paying, what you're leaving on the table, and guide you to the right entity for long-term tax savings and protection. Let's recap the 5 biggest mistakes that cost small business owners thousands in taxes. Number 1, mixing personal and business finances. Number 2, not keeping receipts. Number 3, misclassifying workers. Number 4, not paying estimated taxes. Number 5, using the wrong entity. All of them are avoidable. All of them are fixable. And the best part? You don't have to figure it all out yourself. At Tax Help, we've helped business owners clean up years of tax messes, avoid audits, and save tens of thousands in taxes they would have overpaid. Your books, your structure, your documentation, your payment plan, we'll fix it. Schedule your free review today, or follow us for more tips to keep your taxes low and your business clean. We go deeper into this in a quick second clips. Watch the next video now to find out exactly how we helped a client clean up their books and cut their tax bill by over 10Ks.